Did you ever use Microsoft SyncToy to sync your files between two folders? Since SyncToy is no longer supported, let me introduce you to a powerful alternative, GoodSync. In this video, I'll show you how to set up GoodSync to easily sync files between two local folders on your computer, like you could with SyncToy. First, make sure you have GoodSync installed. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from GoodSync.com. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch the program. To create a new sync job, click on the New Job button at the top of the GoodSync window. Next, you'll be asked to name your job. Let's call this one Local Folder Sync for easy reference. Make sure to select the synchronization option, which means any changes made in either folder will be mirrored in the other. Now, let's choose the two local folders you want to sync. In the left pane, click Browse and select the first folder. For example, you might want to sync your Pictures folder. Next, do the same in the right pane, choosing the second folder. This could be a backup folder on another drive or another folder on your computer. Now that we have both folders selected, click the Analyze button. GoodSync will quickly compare the contents of both folders and show you what will be synced. After the analysis, you'll see a list of files that will be updated or copied between the two folders. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Sync. GoodSync will now sync the folders. Depending on how many files you're syncing, this may take a few moments. And that's it. Your two local folders are now synced. Any changes made in one folder will automatically be reflected in the other whenever you run the sync again. If you'd like, you can also set up a schedule so that GoodSync runs automatically at specific times. Just go to Options and under Auto, choose when you want the sync to happen, daily, weekly, or even in real time. With just a few clicks, GoodSync keeps your files organized and always up to date across folders. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.